demonstrate a demo on how to use the AED. I've worked out the casualty's not breathing, I've called the ambulance, stated my location, and that casualty stopped breathing, and I know there's an AED 30 seconds away, so I've got to leave it. And what I've got is a unit and the pads, bare chest. So in this case, I'm going to take the casualty's jacket off. I'm going to follow the diagrams that are on the pads, and this one shows me to put it above the nipple onto across the shoulder blades. Take the plastic off, stick it down. The second pad is showing me to put it almost on the sides of the casualty, underneath this breast here. The machine always prompts to tell you what's going on. Touching could interfere with the signal. Okay, it's telling me you can shock the casualty. We get you to stand back. You're ready to shock. So everyone stand clear. Follow the instructions to start CPR. I'm going to continue to follow the voice prompts of the machine until it tells us to stop.